Hi students, today we will study the maths part 1, lesson number 1, sets. Now first I will define the set. What do you define the set? The collection of given object. What it is? The collection of given object is defined as set. Okay, the collection of given object is defined as a set. Now there are the two methods of writing the sets. Number one, it is an listing, and number two, it is an rule method. Listing means what we do here? List down. Rule means we use here rule. Now I will give the name to one set. Okay, I will give your name A. Now if I want to list the oval numbers, oval means what? A, E, I, O, U and curly bracket complete. This is called as a listing method. Now next I will tell you the rule method. I will give the name to the set, that is an B. For rule method, curly bracket, we have to write here alphabet X, line oblique, it is called as such that X. I have to write the perfect square of the 1 to 20. So we have to write here in the word X such that X is a perfect square of number 1 to 20, curly bracket complete. All this we have to write in only one line. Okay, do you understand this? Again I will explain you. There are the two methods of writing the sets. Number one, it is a listing method, and second, it is a rule method. In listing method, what we have to do here? We have to list the given question. That is, I have written here ovals. And second rule method, we have to write it in the sentence. Now there are the four types of the sets. Number one, I will write here singleton set. What is the word singleton means? There is only a single number. For example, I will write the set. Okay, what is the name of the set? A. And I will write here any number, or otherwise I will write here specific question. A single even prime number. This is a singleton set. A is called as a singleton set. Second, it is an empty set. What is mean by empty set? Empty set is also called as a null set. I will give the name to the set A, and nothing we will write here. It is called as a null set. Null set is also denoted by the next symbol like this. Okay, otherwise you will write here straight also. This is called as a null set. Next, third, it is an finite. What do you mean by word finite set? Finite means we can count it. For example, I have to write the square number till only 10. Okay, square still number 10. I will write here set. What is the square? Square, first square 1. Second square 4. Then it is only 10. How much it is? Here only 9. Okay, this is the squares. Next after that it is in 16. Okay, now next it is an infinite, and here it is not, we have not written here any dotted line, finally here only. Now next it is an infinite set. Okay, in infinite set I will write here, give the number of anything. Now I will write here natural numbers. Natural numbers are the number which will start from the 1 to, from 1 2 3 dash 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 dash. It is an not completed, so it is called as an infinite set. Do you understand this? First type of set is called as a singleton set because it is only having only a single number. Next it is an empty set because there is nothing, no number. Next it is an finite set, that is an specific number given, not it is total bracket is completed, that is curly bracket is completed. Next it is an infinite set, that is an, it is an, I have written here dotted and the curly bracket is not completed. Next it is an equal set. What do you mean by equal set? If two sets in, I will take here any number, I will take here two alphabet A and B. If these two alphabet having the same element, for example like 1 3 5, and here also 1 3 5, I will write here in curly bracket, then these sets are called as an equal set. Set A is equal to set B. Do you understand this? Next it is an Venn diagram. Venn diagram means what? We will draw here rectangle, and this is an oval shape. Here this is called as an Venn diagram. In this Venn diagram, here it is an set A, and here I will draw your set B. Okay. Otherwise, we can also, here it is a U means universal set. In another example also I will draw here rectangle, here A complement and U. A complement and U means universal. Now next it is an subset. Subset, it is denoted by the symbol like this. This is called as an subset. I will take here example and I will explain you what is mean by subset. Okay, I will write here number 1 to 8. Okay, I will write here number 1 to 8. 1 to 8. Now I will take another set and I will write here curly bracket 2 comma 6 comma 8. Okay, now here we have to, this is an 2 6 8. These numbers are coming in this above A set also, 2 6 and 8. Therefore we will write here B is an subset of A. What it is an? B is an subset of A. Subset is a symbol, this C here like this and line drawn. Understand this, student? What we have explained here? Define two types of sets, types of sets, writing the two types of sets, equal set, Venn diagram and subset. Thank you, student.